For the Huda Beauty Obsession, Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is day 2 of 5 for the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes, and this is what this palette looks like. And I did use 7 out of 9 of the colors, and Valentine's Day is also coming up, so I mean this could potentially also be a Valentine's Day look if you guys are interested in that. But if you guys are interested in seeing this red Valentine's-y, very intense cut crease look, then just keep watching. Alright, so the eyes are done, and I tried using all the colors. The color I did not use were is this one and this one. So I did use 7 out of 9 colors again. I tried to use as many as possible, and I came up with this. And if you guys have hooded eyes like me, cut creases, make your eyelids look a lot bigger. So I really enjoyed doing this one. This one over here is not even in, it's just making me, it's just doing things to my soul. Okay, let's move on with the rest of the face. So we're gonna do blush, and I have a ColourPop blush and highlight here. And I will just be using the blush part. I'll just be using the blush part in this one. So let's go ahead and do this blush. By the way, if you guys have this palette, this is an excellent look for Valentine's Day. Alright, flushed and beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and do highlight. I am going to be using another Becca Christmas present because I'm so excited for all these. I really just want to try all of them. So now I'm working on Rose Quartz, which is part of the little Macaron collection. And it's this really pretty pink, and I thought just don't pay attention to my nails. I thought it would look really pretty with this whole pink-red look we have going on. So I am going to see what Rose Quartz looks like. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. I thought it would be kind of like a warmer pink, but it is pretty cool toned. But that's okay. Oh, I love this one. Yes, this is pretty. So for the lips, I didn't want to do like a monochromatic look. So for my lips, I'm going to try and pull in a little bit of that blush color and a little bit of that peach color that we used as a transition shade. So I am going in with Covergirl's Decadent Peach, and it's a cream formula. It's kind of sheer. So don't expect a large amount of pigment with this. Oh, hell no. Exfoliate those lips. Ew, disgusting. I mean, that's really sheer. I wasn't expecting that. At this point, I think this video actually has better pigmentation with their lipsticks. Oops. Anyways, so that is the final look, and if you guys have this Ruby Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty, let me know. I also would love to see if you guys have any videos on any of her other Obsession palettes, or if you have any other red inspired looks. I would also love to see those because Valentine's Day is coming up, and I'm sure if you guys have any red eyeshadows or any kind of little collections like this with some reds and pinks in there, you guys are probably getting excited for Valentine's Day makeup. So that is all I have for today's video, 2 of 5 for the Huda Beauty Gem Obsessions collection videos. 5 days of beauty, 5 days of color. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But that is all I have for today, so I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!